Tommy. Tommy. Tommy the snake killer. Tommy the snake killer. Tommy is a snake killer. Who are you?
I'm your friend. I want you to kill somebody for me.
Who do you want me to kill?
The snake. He's been eating my crops. And all this time, and I haven't liked it.
I can kill him for you. I got my Boomco blaster.
I don't think that's gonna do anything.
Well, it actually has tax loaded into it.
Oh.
Yeah. How much are you willing to pay?
Let me get. One zucchini.
Consider it done. You got a snake to hunt. Let's do this. Alright? You got a snake to hunt. Snake, consider yourself dead. I don't know where you could be. What's that? Over there. We see that? Right there. Right in front of the camera. Right there. Let's go. Look from a distance. Yeah, it's a snake, all right. Take the shot. And I'm gonna take the shot. 3, 2, 1. Ah, dang it, I missed. I don't know where he's at. Where is he? Where is he? Oh my god. Here he is. I'm gonna take the shot. 3, 2, 1. Come on! What is that background noise? I'm all out of bullets. What the? I get that out of there. I'm so out of there. Try me. I actually killed it. I actually killed it. That's my third hunt. Let's get a picture here. That'd be worth it. Get over here. Well, sure should a guy. There you go. I did it. I killed the snake. Now hand over that zucchini.
No, sorry, that is a different zucchini. But a bird ate the other one. And I was so mad Oh yeah, and another token, I found some bullets that you saw.
Oh, you did? Thanks.
There, here you go. Take this.
Zucchini. It's all mine. Thanks, Mr. Frog.
You're welcome.